Lucky 7 Solutions presents Information Foundry, the one-stop shop for your big data needs. Information Foundry is a big data as a service solution that removes the risk, support, and enormous cost of implementing an on-premise big data solution. You pay for what you use, nothing more. The Information Foundry team includes an experienced group of both IT and business professionals. Jacob Burgess, Jason Boyle, Mike Garcia, and Nick Peterson have over 30 years of combined experience. Information Foundry presents a relatively new take on big data solution, big data as a service. It is a cloud-based big data solution that does not require on-premises infrastructure. Instead of a business building out their own big data solutions in-house, bringing on teams of data scientists and other data engineers, and running the risk of failed implementations, they can leverage Information Foundry service to host their big data needs in the cloud. The initial target market is the pay TV industry. This industry is a matured market that has fallen behind with interactive and personalized technologies that big data can offer. Information Foundry will help bridge this gap between current provider services and consumer expectations of a personalized experience. Information Foundry will analyze and process data collected by pay TV set-top boxes about their customers' viewing habits and pair that with social media data to produce personalized options for their customers. Netflix has had success with this model as 2/3 of all Netflix viewing comes from recommendations Netflix makes to their customers. The pay TV industry presents a ripe environment for a quick big data solution. They have fallen behind in the technological battle for consumer attention. Most TV providers lack interactive and personalized features on their set-top boxes that learn from their users. Traditional cable and satellite models are losing subscribers. Starting to implement a big data solution this late in the game is risky and has a large chance of failure without the right budget, components, and personnel. Big data projects require a very large startup cost and may continue to be very expensive if not done correctly. The solution for these market problems is Information Foundry. Information Foundry provides a hassle-free big data solution. Companies will not have to take the risk of attempting to assemble the right team to build out their own solution, but can rely on the experts behind Information Foundry. Information Foundry is also an all-inclusive solution that will process and store the data for companies from start to finish. Information Foundry is an alternative to taking the risk of an in-house big data implementation. $118 million is predicted to be spent in big data initiatives by 2018. Yet, only 35% of executives label their big data initiatives as successful. Let Information Foundry eliminate this high-risk scenario for you. So what does this mean for the pay TV industry? Information Foundry will enable them with today's technology to integrate content you may like options based upon collected viewing habits, DVR usage habits, purchases, and even social media profiles. The Information Foundry team will develop algorithms that will process all relevant data for pay TV customers and provide intuitive selections for their customer. This will include suggested channels, content, upgrade packages, a la carte programming, and will even help the pay TV company place targeted advertisement to relevant viewing audiences. This will create revenue-generating opportunities both through customer upgrades and purchases, as well as through bringing more value to advertisers. More importantly, it creates increased value to existing offerings, attracting more customers. To demonstrate this visually, information is collected from viewer browsing history, social media accounts, and viewing habits. This data is collected and processed in the Hadoop implementation managed by our expert data scientists. Strict security is maintained throughout the entire process. After the data is analyzed, personalized suggested content is sent back to the viewer's set-top box, providing a personalized interactive viewing experience. The same data is used to provide targeted advertisement. The pay TV industry reaches approximately 85% of households in America. The 4 top pay TV companies include over 67 million subscribers who average approximately $99 per month for their monthly bill. If Information Foundry were to service these 4 companies and all 67 million subscribers, this would be approximately a $200 million annual market as a best-case scenario. However, assuming a 60% internet connectivity rate for only one of these companies at approximately 14 million subscribers, the annual revenue would still be $24 million. This market opportunity only includes the pay TV industry. The Information Foundry platform could be adjusted to fit under other industries that may require big data services. The annual revenue was calculated using the following model. The companies leveraging Information Foundry will be charged per customer account processed each month. The monthly rate for each customer processed in Information Foundry would be 0.25% of that customer's monthly bill. At an average monthly bill of $99, this is about a quarter per customer per month, or about $3 per year. Each customer must be connected to the internet, so it is conservatively assumed that 60% of subscribers are connected to the internet. Using Dish as an initial customer, their monthly fee would be approximately $2 million. So be a part of the Information Foundry team today. Don't miss out on your chance to get in early and grab your share of Information Foundry equity.